Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you how to cancel Motley Fool subscription. So if you want to cancel your subscription, all you have to do, follow me in this video steps. All you have to do, friends, go to this contact member support option. Then you will see this submit a form. Write for this form your first name, last name, as you can see here. Write your email address, email here, and then write your phone number. You make sure that on this request, choose cancellation process. This is a cancellation services. Choose reports or something like the stock advisor, or no, I don't know. On the request details, write I want to cancel my subscription. When you write this simple message, click submit. Make sure you write your email subscription, friends, here, and then just await an email from support team, and then follow the steps that come from your email, and then you can cancel your monthly follow subscription, full subscription. So friends, these simple steps, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.